Class 10th, good morning. In mathematics today you will be doing in continuation arithmetic progression. We started this topic yesterday, new chapter as arithmetic progression, and yesterday I told you definition of arithmetic progression and other things related to it. Now today we will continue it for to find general term of an AP. That is our topic for today, is to find general term of an AP, which is denoted by Tn. AP is symbolically represented here. The arithmetic progression symbolically is written as or denoted as AP, abbreviated as AP you can do. So general term of an AP is if A is the first term, yesterday you have seen, and D is its common difference by which series progresses, then AP you had noted yesterday is A first term, second A plus D, third A plus 2D, fourth term A plus 3D, fifth term A plus 4D, and so on, whatever number of terms you can write after that. So we observe here that first term we have to generalize how to write any term without writing the whole series. So first term A is denoted as T1 or T1 is A. Then second term T2 is A plus D, which can be written as A plus 2 minus 1 within bracket into D. Third term can be written as T3 A plus 2D. A plus 2D can be written as A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Fourth term A plus 3D, which can be rewritten as A plus 4 minus 1 into D. And fifth term T5 is A plus 4D, which can be written as A plus 5 minus 1 into D. So thus, what do you observe from T1, T2, T3, T4, T5? That is, in each term the amount of A is same, but D is always 1 less than number of term. You can see if it is 2 second term, then D is 2 minus 1 into D, that is 1D. If it is T4, then amount of D is 3, that is, in terms of 4 it is 4 minus 1 into D. So in general you can say for every term A will remain same and D added is always 1 less than the number of term. So in general, if you want to write any term Tn, then it can be written as any term Tn is of AP is A plus n minus 1 into D, which is the formula to calculate any term or any question related to term of an AP, and this is called direct formula to write any general term of an AP. And with the help of this you can solve different type of questions based on the term. So I am discussing here application of this formula as question 1. Find 50th term of AP 3, 7, 11, 15. So here A is 3, D is common difference 7 minus 3, that is 4, and number of term you have to find 50th term, so n is 50. So Tn is formula you will use Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So putting the value of A, n and D in general formula, 50th term, n is replaced by 50, T50 is 3 plus 51, 50 minus 1 into within bracket into 4, n minus 1 into D, and after calculation it comes out to be 199. So you have observed that without writing the whole series you can write any term required in an AP using the formula general Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now second question, if nth term of an AP is 2n plus 1, find its common difference and 12th term. So you can solve any question when you are given general term. So here we are given general term Tn as 2n plus 1, and now if you will put n equal to 1, 2, 3, you will get first term, second term, third term, fourth term and so on, which we have got T1 as 3, T2 as 5, T3 as 7, T4 as 9, putting the value of n. And so your AP is 3, 5, 7, 9. That is, your first term is 3 and common difference D is 5 minus 3, which will be same as 7 minus 5 or 9 minus 7, and it will be always equal to 2. So here common difference you were asked to find. So common difference is 2, that is your first answer. And 12th term is A plus 12 minus 1 into D using general formula. So A is 3, 3 plus 11 into 2, that is after calculation it comes out to be 25. That is your answer. Question number 3, find A and B so that 18, A, B, minus 3 are in AP. That is, they are consecutive terms of an AP. So here we will denote first term by capital A because A is given there. So capital A is 18, D is A minus 18, as you know how to find D, second term minus first term, or third term minus second term, that is B minus A, or this will be same as minus 3 minus B. So taking A minus 18 equal to B minus A, you will get 2A minus B equal to 18, and taking B minus A equal to 3 minus B as common difference, you will get A minus 2B equal to 3. Solving first and second, you will get A equal to 11 and B equal to 4. That is your answer. So this way you can find any term using this. Make a note of it and show it to me.